Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Yeah man, fire Reid one more time for the pumpkin farm people. You don't know, say harvesting time. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. So I'm gonna show some pumpkin. Bless up my people. One love and one heart. Welcome to Reid farm. Pumpkin farm, you know. One love. Yeah man, so we have some pumpkin right now. And the boss can right about, you know. So like this right now, to make it last longer, just make it vine stay upon it so stay one long period of time. So when you harvest you have to know exactly what to do to make it can stay longer, if you know spoil.
Chunkler?
No.
I cut that.
Yeah.
This.
Nice, that's true.
My best man.
Yeah man, so the boss I tell you about the pumpkin them, you know. The man they make them pumpkin juice.
Pan color.
Yeah man. The man they give a little thing about the pumpkin, is it?
Yeah man.
Yeah
Real
man.
Pumpkin man.
Yeah man. So we're up on the farm right now, do some harvesting and stuff, you know? Alright. Yeah man. So how you tell them when they're ready, my boss? So you know when they're ready?
Well, them get a different sound in on the vine.
Yeah.
Vine are ripe. So you know, so once the vine are ripe,
yeah,
I'm ready.
Alright, sir.
See there? Color of vine change.
Yeah.
Ready pumpkin.
Yeah
nice.
Man, so I tell you how the pumpkin when they're ready, you know, so you have a way of to tell when they're ready, is it? Yeah man.
One now. Vine still green.
Yeah man, so I tell you say vine them still green. Upon them people.
Still green?
Yeah.
So you can't wait look more.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah man.
You know? One. See it?
Yeah.
Color of vine different.
Yeah.
So you know you pop it. Vine pan it stay longer.
Yeah.
Alright, sir.
So we harvest some pumpkin, you know?
Well green.
See my show now our next one again.
Vine. Green.
Green, yeah.
So you can't make it stay a little more.
So you know no health benefit your pumpkin can give you?
Yeah, what you talk about man, vitamin C straight now.
Yeah man, what you mean man? The man they build them pumpkin juice.
Pumpkin you eat man, prick up your eye man.
Yeah man.
Nutrients to the eye.
See it there?
Quality.
Quality pumpkin, you know?
Solid. Ready.
Yeah, man. So I'm telling you about country life, my people. When you're up on the farm. Yeah, man. Country life sweet.
Solid pumpkin, man. Solid. Come, go across that. Full till it bust up. See there?
Yeah, my sure. You see it? On the full till the bus, you
Full
see
till
it?
it bust.
Overripe.
See there?
Yeah, man.
Solid pumpkin. Overripe. Stay too long. Couldn't pick long time.
There's a whole heap of pumpkin there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
It's a few. Everybody get them pumpkin, I get A-class, some A-class pumpkin.
Yeah, man. So real A-class pumpkin, you know.
Yeah, man.
Solid.
Solid, nice soup pumpkin. We'll have to make soup, juice. And them this.
Yeah, man.
Me have a knife, the boss one make on see knife.
See color it, all them pretty.
Well, pretty. Then
See quality pumpkin them. So my people, you see them pumpkin seed that them plant green. So you get many different type of pumpkin. So my people, you know, say through coronavirus, a whole heap of things change, and you know, say things not go fast as first time. Whole heap of crops kind of slow down with it when it come out to the market and stuff. So a lot of things change, you know. But then quality the pumpkin there, catch it? Yeah, man.
I let pumpkin is pretty like wow.
Yeah, man, you're so good color, you know.
Solid.
Look at the qualities, you know. So that's how we harvest pumpkin in Jamaica, you know. Them are style, real country style, you know. Yeah, man. Just the vibes, you know. Real Jamaican vibes for the pumpkin farm, is it? One love my people and one heart, is it? So harvesting time now, is it? On the farm with fire Reid. Like a gun. Yeah, man, so you see pumpkin them. Tell us a pumpkin like crazy. See them people. So welcome to Fire Reid Farm, pumpkin farm, is it? Yeah, man, so you see pumpkin them. I tell us a pumpkin like crazy. See them people. So welcome to Fire Reid Farm, pumpkin farm, is it?